Ever feel like your kitchen looks cluttered no matter how much you clean? Bottles, bowls, jars, cosmetics, everything ends up scattered with no proper place. What if you could turn that chaos into a clean, modern display in seconds? Introducing the Black Oak Acrylic Kitchen Display Cabinet. Built with a sleek black oak finish and durable acrylic engineered wood, it doesn't just store your items, it showcases them. With multiple spacious shelves, you can organize everything from cooking essentials to cosmetics, books, linens, or decorative pieces. And the best part? Its scratch-resistant surface keeps it looking brand new, even with daily use. Compact yet tall design, 31.5 inches wide and 72 inches high, makes it perfect for kitchens, bedrooms, or even living spaces. No more mess. No more stress. Just clean, organized, aesthetic storage that upgrades your entire space instantly. Tap the link and transform your home today.